Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world for now. Let's start with today's news. Alright, so Arsenal played Chelsea yesterday for the Stamford Bridge and the match ended 2-2 in draw. So I don't see nobody many Arsenal fans they expect. Some people say we'll not them 4-0, some people say we'll not them 3-0. We'll predict different things, but at the end of the day, when the match started, Chelsea give us so much intensity. In fact, they overload the midfield. It was one day difficult for us to even penetrate. Odegaard was missing because the midfield choke. Then our wingers, Bukayo Saka and Martinelli, no fit even bypass Malo Gutso and Cucurella because Cole Palmer and Ryan Sterling they assist them. So now two people they mark all those our wingers and people they mark them they very pacey. Like we struggled a lot in the first half. I'm sure that the penalty they can't give us away. Saliba take hand touch ball. And that one we will talk about it. Chelsea take open the scoring. Then for the second half, they hope say okay we can do one or two things before you know. Chelsea don't bust net again. Where Aaron Ramsey come outside like they leave your own place. You come outside, give Mudryk power space. Nobody take lob the ball, even though nobody waiting one do one cross ball, but luckily for him, the ball ended at 2-0. In fact, at 2-0, for my mind, I feel say everything already day over. Before Chelsea goalkeeper go give us gifts, go come outside, do mistake, Rice wipe him, he enter before you know come get that momentum, that zeal. Say but we can still do something before you know what's in the happen. Saka cross ball, Trossard, Nakamenta. In fact, the changes Arteta make, bring Tomiyasu, Trossard, and Kai Havertz, everything just changed the game entirely. Like we can't do for that second half. So our players play very well. Much kudos. Because I see many comments now. But the comment section people say yes, Kai Havertz played very well. Make Kukuma start as striker. Why would somebody even mention so if they use two striker system, make them put Kai Havertz there. The problem is people don't want to give the guy a chance. Now, I can say I'm his biggest supporter because no besides they talk to the guy too good, but at least giving the benefit of the doubt, giving space to turn things around. In the last 3 games now, you can confidently say he play well. For the last 3 games for Arsenal, that he did well. So that's what we're talking about. At the end of the day, all Arsenal fans, everybody happy say our unbeaten run still continue. So we live to fight another day. When you check the table, I go say we did first. We and Man City we did first. Now only goals to take up us. So on the second, we did same points, 21-21. So by the time we Tottenham Hotspur play on Monday, they will play against Fulham. They will know whether they will leapfrog us or whether they will be below us. So that's everything just thank God. Arsenal fans, don't come second, they ask for Aaron Ramsdale to return after David Raya the struggle. And when you look at the situation now, me I'm even talking now Raya. Now they make a lot of people they talk bad about Arteta. Now they make all these pundits they come outside they talk about the Raya Ramsdale situation. Why we say when we play like big games, where we say we expect high intensity matches against maybe Manchester City, matches against this kind of Chelsea, because Chelsea bring high intensity. Raya will come the struggle, he will come the fear, he will come the panic. The question is why? Is it that when they for Brentford, they play high intensity matches? Why be saying that when in come Arsenal, he will fear the panic? Look at that ball when throw give Cole Palmer. Imagine say Cole Palmer scored that ball. I mean that one when later catch for Jackson leg. Like the guy just the fidget, just the panic. And the people they call for Aaron Ramsey when he come back, I don't blame them. I think they are right in their own right. But them to come outside they talk say yes, I think Arteta never fine. Arteta don't choose number 1, say David Raya na number 1. But sadly, Raya never actually justified that number 1 position. We make people they talk say as of now, make Arteta no talk say don't get number 1. We need to still try Aaron Ramsdale and bring him back because yesterday, if you watch, a section of the away fans were chanting Ramsdale's name. They call Ramsdale because they're unhappy and fed up. Now the players now cover the shame of this David Raya. Imagine say that match end 2-0. You know how everywhere for B, you know how the media space for B about this David Raya would have been trending for bad reasons. But it is what it is. At the end of the day, we just did very opposite things and with the end. Alright, away from that, so after the match, they ask Declan Rice, say, okay, so match don't end, how you take seed where everything unfold. So Rice explain, say, well, what thing if we talk, we say this first half is like the worst first half performance where Arsenal don't ever play this season because they were very bad. Like nothing. Say he himself in first pass for the match, now rubbish, they just throw away the ball. But at the end of the day, they have to say they can't come into the game for the second half. Like they played better, they attacked better. For the second half, as Arteta make changes, we can't go long. When they give Kai Havertz that long ball, Kai Havertz dominated Thiago Silva and Louis Colwill. We just take it. He dominates them in the air. This was something Eden Keita could not do. This was something Gabriel Jesus could not do. That is what we are talking about when we talk say we need a striker with a different profile. You're gonna look say maybe height no mean anything, but height mean a lot. If we have somebody who is tall there, you're gonna help us. Okay, look at this kind of match. Let me say they overload the midfield, which means tiki taka go dey somehow difficult. Then you go long. But when you have somebody like Gabriel Jesus there, Saka and Martinelli, how do you go long? Wait till I go see why they dominate Gabriel Jesus. How do you go long? That is where tall people come in. Even though Havertz no be striker him be, but you say the times we don't use him as a striker, he actually play the guy they play well. The times we use him as striker, don't actually play well more than the number 8 when they play, which is why people they clamor now say Moko play him as striker role. But remember saying Arsenal fans they don't want to see him for the first 11. That was why when Oga when they mentioned yesterday, I said I don't want to hear that from you. Don't come and tell me that I want to see Kai Havertz starting as number 9. Why are they happy to say I am one of those that actually give him the benefit of the doubt, and it's actually making me proud? Like the guy they do very well. You cannot deny it that he's progressing, he's developing. That's what we want. Alright, so they're going to ask Arteta after the match, say how you take see the game, especially that handball, that Saliba handball. But I can't say, well, say no one talk anything, because if you talk now, they will find him. Because if you don't notice, after the match, Arteta go approach the referee to let them know, say, they happy for that handball when blow as penalty. Because the VAR officials, they look the ball like 50-50. They don't even know whether it's a penalty or not be penalty. They can say, okay, you go look at by yourself. You when you go there, okay, Saliba jump, in hand go like this, in jump to not ball. Were you expecting him to put his hand at his back and jump? How is he going to do that? Referee give Arteta a yellow card. So they ask him, but the media said, they say, what you got to talk? Say, I don't want to say anything because if I talk now, they will fine me. They say, no, just talk your mind now. Is it calamitous? Oga, I don't want to talk anything, and that's why they just kill off the matter. At the same time, Arteta going to say he will give huge credits and determination to the players, guys, because we come here, this place is a high intensity game, and you see that they celebrate. I don't say Chelsea they celebrate something and they would like to win, so we will come here try to spoil their party. They knock us so bad. They don't even play with the recognized striker. For you to know say they won't overload that midfield, because we will not really understand what Pochettino be won't do. At the end of the day, we came back. That's the stuff of champions. Even though you don't play well, but you must make sure you avoid the defeats. Instead of you go lose, make you collect 1 point, smoke will go out. So about us, the players were very, very determined and they show the stuff of champions. That's what I expect people like Man City to actually do. So when you lose 2-0, you come back, and the government statistics will come outside for comeback teams. Arsenal number 1, so we are the comeback kings. We sabi come back, so which means never say never until the final whistle has been blown. At some point, when we win 2-2, at least we go feel make a 3-2, because I was very, very optimistic at the watch, but at the end of the day, just end 2-2. Alright, to get another incident where they call the debates for the media space. So I say make I ask one that place where Chelsea keeper come outside when he had no touch ball, he can't jam Gabriel Jesus and some people. The debate for the studio, all those kind of Michael Owen, Gary Neville and the likes, whether a penalty or not, everybody saying a penalty. Like when the keeper comes out and he hand no touch ball, he can't clash with players. You should penalize the player. And say this kind of thing don't happen before against Manchester United. I don't know Manchester United and whether a Brighton and they will not come outside jam person. So now the same situation, but they don't give us now the penalty. So it is what it is. VAR not even look at so but it is what it is. You don't pass. But yeah, right. Say come outside, talk about that William Saliba penalty. Say it was a very, very harsh penalty. Say it don't make any sense. And I would say I just talk now because like he was in a natural position where you won't make it keep in hand. If you want to jump, when you want to jump, you need your hand now to elevate you now, to guide you now. Say you go put hand back like this, can't jump. No be saying across the way you need to put your hand. You want to contest for the ball in the air. Say you go put your, that's the issue. So but the rules are the rules. Even Chelsea legend John Terry come outside and talk say even though say he be Chelsea fan, and that penalty, they delighted. Say they collect that penalty, posted it on Twitter, saying they delighted. Say they award them that penalty, but as a defender, when be so that's it. It's very, very harsh, and it's not supposed to be a penalty because Saliba was in his natural position. Like you want to jump as a defender, do you put your hand in your back? How do you want to jump, self? By putting your hand in your back. How you want to compete? So that is the thing. But the law is the law. Any ball will touch your hand, penalty. Anyway, you touch your hand, regardless of the context, which is not actually fine. But that's what we see today. And the wait maybe by next week now, by Monday, then this referee Gallagher, may come do the Premier League production, may come analyze because no matter all these questionable calls, he will come give his own take. So I want to hear him and Mike Dean. I will hear what they will talk about this Saliba incident, that Gabriel Jesus incident, those two. I will hear what they will talk. And that will keep a clash of Gabriel Jesus. I will hear what they will talk. Alright, Gary Neville come and say talk say following the errors wey Raya dey make, say they expect Aaron Ramsdale on Monday morning make him go for Arteta office, go dey knock him door, say Coachy, any chance yet? Any chance? I want to play. I can see what Raya is doing. I can do better. So he expects say Ramsdale will go the knock, but at the end of the day we'll see whether Arteta will actually give Ramsdale a second chance, because that's probably what many people they call for, and those who they call for such second chance, I don't actually blame them, because now Raya they make us still they get all these debates, Raya versus Ramsdale, because he is becoming scared. They make errors. If they talk say okay, we want to replace Ramsdale because of errors, the person who was supposed to be upgraded to the Ramsdale say they're doing your own errors. So if 2 of them they do errors, now what is now the difference? When you want to look at the two goalkeepers, what's going to be the difference now? If this one they do error, this one they do error, what's going to be the major difference? The gap is it there? That's the question. So at the end of the day, we'll see how Arteta will approach this issue moving forward. Even Richard Keys also will be one of those pundits for BN Sports. Come and talk say David Raya will cost Arsenal the league if they know they're very careful, because he never really justify the first 11 where Arteta put up. You can say Ramsdale need to still come in, more try Aaron Ramsdale. So this discussion go end today. So tomorrow people will still talk about this Aaron Ramsdale and David Raya, because Ramsdale gets your own loyalists. Raya self gets your own loyalists. So we'll see how everything goes. I won't be say anybody with the coach put out, I go support that, because what me I don't want. Now the fact say if they come bring in Ramsdale now, Ramsdale can make some errors. Raya loyalists now will come and say if na Raya will do this thing. So look at the kind of mistake Ramsdale they make. If na Raya, I know Raya don't make this kind of mistake. That is what me I want to avoid, because you know go dey healthy. Will they give one kind of toxic comparison when no go make any sense? Now what thing I try to avoid. That is why anybody who Arteta put out, if you watch me, I like to offer that person support, because what people fail to understand is now our player. So you need to offer them that support. That's why till tomorrow I will still support Kai Havertz. Even though make I be the only voice in the wilderness, I will still support him, because now our player, destructive criticism will not take him anywhere. The only thing that will take him somewhere is constructive criticism. That is what I have been giving to him, and I see it is working out. Last 3 games, fantastic showing, and that's what we told Arteta to do, and he's doing it. Alright, my dear Arsenal lovers, so if you know what yesterday, you should check the top left corner of your screen. We'll see the thumbnail. Click out so that you get all Arsenal update as they drop all over the world. So start signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. Now, game out.